I also think it's really good to think about how just one thing a day as far as a diet focus might make a huge difference in your life. So you could pick sort of any one of the things that you're going to show, Hillary, but it could be as simple as I'm going to have a bunch of probiotic rich foods in my refrigerator, and I'm going to start adding them into my diet daily, or I'm going to make a smoothie daily, or I'm going to eat more vegetables this week. And if you kind of focus on one thing at a time, it's much easier to do. So I think you have to pick something really easy, right, to start your day with.
Or you also join a program that teaches you and encourages you and motivates you. So that's why I'm like, come on, everybody, join our detox, because it's so much more fun to do something when you're led, and it's easier to maintain changes. But yes, any kind of nudge that you make towards your health is going to make you feel happier. You're going to make more serotonin in your brain. You're going to have more essential fatty acids. That's my dog. She's really cute.